Hey, I am Dr. Nate. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you are returning, what's up? Today we are going to talk about back pain and mattresses. So whether or not a mattress that you have could be contributing to some of the symptoms that you have. And I'm just gonna go right into it. So first of all, it's probably unlikely that the mattress is causing your symptoms. Now, yes, it's certainly possible that if you have a really old mattress and you're sinking down really far and your back is sensitized to a lot of flexion, then sure. Or if your butt sinks down and then your back is kind of round, it's extended more so when you're laying down and it doesn't feel good like that, then sure, it might make sense to get a new mattress. But, and this big but, I'm gonna share with you a few things that I think you should address before you get a new mattress and drop $2,000, because, if there are simple things that are free or very low cost, why go the mattress route? I think a lot of people do that because they don't want to put any effort in, but that's besides the point. So number one is movement. Are you moving and can you move? So I know that some people, if you're like a lot of my clients, they struggle to find movement that won't flare them up. So if that's you, then you probably need to go work with somebody to help you at least find a custom program that will work with you. By the way, I can help you with that. So description, go down there and click the link. So movement, exercise, really important to really get some of that in to help you reduce symptoms. And I would look at that before you look at a mattress. Number two is mindset. So if you are afraid of your pain and you're afraid of it getting worse and you're afraid that if you move more that it will make it worse, then you see how that's kind of like a vicious cycle. You're afraid to move and so you move less, and then the pain increases when you move less, or it actually doesn't and there is no pain when you're not moving, but you know that if you're not moving, your muscles get weaker, you get stiffer, and eventually you just can't live like that, right? You're not gonna be able to do any of the things you used to be able to do, so that's not a good solution. So we wanna just make sure that our mindset is good too. So if you are afraid, then figuring out ways to reduce that fear, and usually that's through understanding. Understanding of if I move more or move in certain ways, then I'm not going to further damage or further worsen the pain that I'm having. So that's really important. I've made a bunch of videos on that before, and I'll link to some of those. And then number three, I wanted to talk about stress in this video because a lot of times people aren't sleeping, they're stressed, they're not exercising, they're not eating well, and the first thing they ask is, well, should I change my mattress? Well, changing your mattress isn't going to solve your problem of you being stressed out, of you not sleeping, of you not exercising, of you not eating well. It's not really going to solve those issues, and those are the way bigger things that are likely contributors to some of the issues that you're having or things that you need to modify versus getting a new bed. If you're not taking care of those things first, then I think the bed, that should be one of the last things that you look at. Again, unless you notice that that's literally the only time that you're having issues is when you're sleeping and it's just uncomfortable. Then maybe you do get a new bed because that's the only time that it's hurting. But I've had lots of people who've spent thousands of dollars on mattresses and they've told me, it didn't really do anything. I actually liked my older bed that was $200 and was more firm. So there you go. Go ahead and like this video if this was helpful for you. I hope I saved you $2,000 from spending that on a new mattress. If you would like to interact with me more, you can join our Facebook group. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, if you'd like help directly from me, you can click on the other link in the description to apply for our 90-day back pain program that can help you go from a place of feeling despondent and just not loving life to a point of thriving. So I want to help you with that. Go ahead and like this video if it was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, and as always, stay strong, stay resilient, keep getting after it, and I'll see you in the next video.